At Entek Corporation, we're the area's experts in heating and cooling systems, serving Southwest Washington and Northern Oregon areas. Whether you are looking to upgrade your current system to reduce energy costs, improve comfort, add cooling, or require improved air quality, we will work closely with you to design and install a system that meets your needs and budget. We have 65 years experience in commercial, residential, and industrial installation and service. Our focus is to maintain long-term customer relationships by providing quality service. Our trained, factory-authorized technicians are NATE certified and will give you the finest HVAC support available in the industry today.